Have you ever wondered how some animals survive in the harshest corners of our planet? Imagine this, a world teeming with life where each corner holds a new surprise, each creature a unique story of survival, adaptation, and extraordinary feats. Welcome to the intriguing world of extraordinary animals. This planet we call home is a vast, diverse place. From the scorching deserts to the freezing poles, from the towering mountain peaks to the mysterious ocean depths, it is filled with a wide variety of habitats. Each of these habitats is home to an array of animals, some familiar, some utterly surprising. Today our focus will be on the most extraordinary of these creatures, the ones that stand out due to their sheer ability to adapt and thrive in environments where survival seems nothing short of a miracle. Picture the birds soaring high above the cloud-swept peaks of the Himalayas, the mammals burrowing in the sandy dunes of the Sahara, or the aquatic life forms gliding through the lightless abyss of the Mariana Trench. Each of these creatures holds a captivating tale of evolution, resilience, and survival. And it's these tales that we'll be uncovering today. We will journey through different habitats, each with its own set of challenges and its own band of resilient inhabitants. From the heights of the sky to the depths of the sea, from the torrid heat of the desert to the biting cold of the poles, we will traverse through it all. As we embark on this journey, we'll not only marvel at the extraordinary abilities of these creatures, but also gain a new appreciation for the delicate balance of nature. For it's in understanding these extraordinary animals and their unique habitats that we can begin to comprehend the intricate web of life that connects us all. So, are you ready to dive into this fascinating exploration of the animal kingdom? Are you prepared to witness tales of survival and adaptation that defy human comprehension? If so, fasten your seatbelts. Prepare to embark on a journey to discover the most extraordinary animals and their unique habitats. Imagine having to fly over the world's tallest mountains every year. Sounds tough, right? Meet the bar-headed goose. This unique creature is a marvel of nature and a testament to the power of evolution. Known for its distinctive black bars or stripes on its head, the bar-headed goose is perhaps most famous for its astounding migratory feats. Every year, these geese undertake one of the most challenging migrations in the animal kingdom. They travel from their wintering grounds in South Asia to their breeding grounds in Central Asia, a journey that takes them directly over the Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world. Now that's a commute. But what makes the bar-headed goose truly extraordinary is not just the heights it reaches, but how it survives in such harsh conditions. Most animals would struggle to breathe at altitudes over 5,000 meters, where the air is thin and oxygen levels are low. But the bar-headed goose, it thrives. This high-flying marvel has several unique adaptations that allow it to survive in these extreme conditions. It has a higher concentration of red blood cells than most other birds, which allows it to absorb oxygen more efficiently. It also has larger lungs and a more efficient respiratory system, allowing it to extract more oxygen from each breath. Furthermore, the bar-headed goose has a special type of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. This hemoglobin has a higher affinity for oxygen, meaning it can grab onto and hold oxygen even in low oxygen conditions. But it's not just about biology. The bar-headed goose also uses clever flying techniques to make the journey easier. For example, they often fly in the early morning or late evening when the winds are calmer. They also ride the wind currents to conserve energy. Now, isn't that an amazing display of nature's ingenuity and resilience? The bar-headed goose truly embodies the spirit of perseverance and adaptation, showing us that no height is too great, no journey too tough if we're equipped with the right tools and the determination to succeed. So, the next time you feel like something is too high to reach, remember the bar-headed goose. It's a testament to the power of adaptation, endurance, and the indomitable spirit of life. Ever thought about how to survive in a desert? The fennec fox has it all figured out. Imagine a world where the sun scorches the land relentlessly, and water is as rare as a precious gem. This is the desert, a harsh and unforgiving environment. Yet amidst the swirling sands and towering dunes, lives a creature that has not only survived but thrived. Meet the fennec fox, a unique and fascinating desert survivor. This pint-sized fox, not much larger than a domestic cat, is a master of desert survival. Its most noticeable feature, the oversized ears, are not just for show. These ears, which can grow up to 6 inches long, serve a dual purpose. They are the fox's personal air conditioning unit, dissipating heat and helping to keep its body temperature down in the scorching desert sun. But they also act as super-sensitive radar dishes, picking up the faintest sounds of potential prey or predators. The fennec fox's feet are broad and furry, acting like built-in snowshoes to prevent it from sinking into the soft desert sand. They also provide insulation against the hot sand during the day and the cold sand at night. Now you might be wondering, what does this tiny fox eat to survive in such an inhospitable environment? The fennec fox is an omnivore, feasting on a diet of insects, small rodents, birds, eggs, and even plants. Their kidneys are adapted to restrict water loss, and they can go for long periods without drinking, obtaining most of their water from the food they eat. This little fox is also a master of evasion with its sandy-colored coat that provides perfect camouflage against the desert backdrop. They're nocturnal creatures, preferring to avoid the daytime heat and come out at night when it's cooler. So there you have it, the fennec fox, a creature that's perfectly adapted to its desert home. Its unique features and survival strategies are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. The fennec fox, a true testament to resilience and adaptation. Diving into the deepest parts of the ocean is no easy feat, but for the sperm whale, it's just another day in life. Now imagine an animal that can dive to the staggering depths of over 7,000 feet, staying submerged for up to 90 minutes at a time. That's the equivalent of an average person holding their breath while climbing Mount Everest, not once, but twice. This is the world of the sperm whale, an extraordinary creature that has mastered the art of deep-sea diving like no other. The sperm whale's unique features make it perfectly adapted to its aquatic lifestyle. Its body is streamlined for efficient swimming, with a massive, squarish head that constitutes about a third of its body length. This head houses a substance called spermaceti, a semi-liquid oil that was once highly prized for oil lamps and is believed to aid in buoyancy control during dives. But it's not just the physical adaptations that make the sperm whale a deep-sea champion. It's also about how it navigates the dark, cold, and high-pressure environment of the ocean depths. You see, sperm whales use echolocation, a sort of biological sonar to locate food and navigate the deep sea. They emit a series of clicks, and by listening to the echoes they can create a mental map of their surroundings, even in the pitch black of the ocean depths. In this underwater world, the sperm whale is a formidable predator, feeding primarily on giant squid. These epic battles between whale and squid occur in total darkness, thousands of feet below the surface. It's a testament to the sperm whale's incredible adaptations and survival skills. However, life in the deep is not without challenges. Sperm whales face threats from noise pollution, ship strikes, and plastic ingestion. Despite these obstacles, they continue to thrive, displaying resilience and adaptability that is nothing short of extraordinary. The sperm whale, a true deep-sea explorer and an extraordinary marine marvel. From the highest skies to the deepest oceans, we've journeyed far and wide to meet these extraordinary animals. We've soared alongside the bar-headed goose, an avian marvel that defies the thin air of the Himalayas with its high-altitude flights. A testament to endurance and adaptability, it's a creature that truly exemplifies the phrase, "the sky's the limit." Our journey then took us to the scorching sands of the Sahara, where we discovered the fennec fox. This small but resilient creature thrives in one of the harshest environments on Earth, its oversized ears acting as natural air conditioners. It's a perfect example of how life adapts and evolves to survive, even in the most extreme conditions. And finally, we plunged into the deep dark abyss of the ocean, where the sperm whale dwells. These giants of the sea have adapted to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep, using echolocation to navigate and hunt in the darkness. They are living proof that life can thrive in the most unexpected places. These three extraordinary creatures are a mere glimpse into the astounding diversity of life on our planet. They remind us of the importance of biodiversity, of the intricate web of life that connects us all. Each species plays a unique role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Their survival is not just about them, but about us too. Conservation is not a choice but a responsibility. It's about protecting these extraordinary creatures in the habitats they call home, ensuring the survival of our planet's rich biodiversity for future generations. So, let's take inspiration from the bar-headed goose, the fennec fox, and the sperm whale. Let's strive to adapt, to endure, and to thrive, just as they do. Because in our own way, we are all extraordinary. Remember, just like these extraordinary animals, you too are capable of extraordinary things. So embrace your uniqueness and make your own mark in this world.